Hey, so I wanted to show you how I created my LinkedIn banner. So as I said, why it's super important to create your banner and make sure it's people can notice it because it's the first kind of prominent thing people see on LinkedIn. So if you go, for example, I'll show you here to a LinkedIn profile. Let's check Ben, for example, or Udi here. If I go to my network, here I see like people who are recommended for me, and you see the biggest thing I see is the banner. So that's why your banner has to really catch the eye. Look, this one is pretty interesting. This one doesn't say much, They are nice, but they don't say much. So really, that's what your thing has to do. And so for me, what I've done, I went there, clicked on my design, create a design, LinkedIn banner, and then when I click there, it goes there. And what you can do is here, go into new color, and you can find the color code of your company. So it's either in the press kit, or you can find the digital colorimeter. So for that, you can check digital colorimeter, for example, and then you'll be able to find what's the RGB. That could be an option. So for me, I have two main colors, is this blue here and this kind of cobalt here. And so what I've done, I just like put the blue background, very simple. And then I've added my logo. So you can upload things here. That's all my uploads. Added my logo. And here for this kind of cool font, I just went on text. And then what you have, if you click there, you have some type of fonts that are pretty cool. So for example, if I wanted today Slay Day, for example, I could go there, then put my color code, one here, this one, for example, and this one, this looks ugly, but that would be the spirit. So you could play around with that. And what's important to know is once you have this, what I've done here is like, I've done something where I try to get the attention of people, and it worked pretty well. Actually, people are surprised to know what is that 55% answer rate. And then they click. A lot of people have been viewing my profile. And then what's happening is that they have this first thing here, this access here to the featured, and then they click on there and they see that. So here, like 55% answer rate, they click here on the feature. And so make sure you adjust also where your logo is, where this is. So because whenever you upload here, you'll be able to adjust, make sure it fits and it looks well. And don't clog this space too much because that's where your LinkedIn profile image is located. And that's where you'll see, if it's too clogged, you actually won't be able to see it. So that's about it. Just go try to get there. There's some kind of inspiration. I've put some examples you can follow, but really think about what's the best way to attract the attention of people whenever they see this banner. Big color, big contrast, big letters, simple things. One simple message.